That hooks like that. All right, I'll now put it on the tripod feet, in which case I can stand it up. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the DJI RS3 Pro. Now this did come out last year. This isn't the latest variant that they have. Matter of fact, this was just superseded by the RS4 Pro that came out earlier this year. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in to what all comes inside this device. I got this off of Amazon. I was able to steal it at a good price for $576, so almost about $600 I was able to pick this up for, which is about $300 cheaper than what it would cost to get this brand new. Out of the box, you can see that everything is housed within this nice compact sort of shell, which is really small compared to some gimbal cases that I've had in the past that can be quite big and a lot taller. So I have it unzipped. I'll go ahead and open it up. Now off the rip, I can see that it is split up into a few compartments. Over here on the left hand side, I have the gimbal itself, which is pretty nice. So cool. This is secured in place by this Velcro lock. That's how it was initially. So sweet. All right, I'll place that over to the side. Then if I take a look over on this side, I have all of the accessories that come with this. This is actually a RS3 Pro Combo. So this is gonna come with the extended grip handle that you can see over here. It's gonna be really nice for holding this in like a briefcase mode. All right, so set that there. Have a phone mount accessory plate. Goes with that phone mount accessory plate. Next, we have the briefcase handle, which is nice. The tripod handle. Yep, folds up, turns into a tripod. Have the mounting base plate to utilize with the focus motor. Have another mounting plate. We have the grip. It goes to the bottom of the gimbal. And then let's see. Over here, we have the Raven Eye, the image transmitter that you can utilize to send the video from your camera to the DJI app, as well as to the gimbal itself. So that's nice. And then right here is the RS3 focus motor, the 22 version. All right, that's cool. Then I'll notice if I unzip what's on this side right here is I have some manuals, some cables, two USB-C cables, and then some additional cables. So 2 video cables, quite a few video cables actually. Yeah, a few different types. So here we go. Another one, mini HDMI to micro HDMI or USB-B. Then a right angle USB-C to USB-C port. Additionally, we get some screws along with some straps, a lens support, a rail for the focus motor, strap. This is going to be a USB-C to USB-B cable, and then this is what you'll use to attach to your camera in order to hook up the rod system and the start guide. So with that being all that comes in the case, I'll go ahead and get rid of the RS3 Pro case and put that aside. We'll now begin piecing this system together. That hooks like that. All right, I'll now put it on the tripod feet, in which case I can stand it up. All right, so since the next part of me building out this gimbal is going to involve me actually putting the camera that you're looking at onto this gimbal setup, I'll go ahead and turn this camera off and reposition my overhead camera so I can get a better angle. All right, to get started, you'll undo this auto lock, rotate the base, undo this lock, get this swinging, and then undo this lock. Now, we want to get it like this, so once you have it to this angle, we'll go ahead and lock it again, and then same with this. Once you have it, we'll go ahead and lock it right there. So now it's not wiggling anymore. Go ahead and slide on this base plate. All right, so you have that in place. Lock it in place.